How to check Amazon subscriptions on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. Over here, go to Subscriptions as shown. On this page, you can view your subscriptions and manage your payment details, plan upgrades, renewals and many more. Click on a subscription to view its details. For example, Amazon subscription. If you want to cancel this subscription, then you can cancel it from here. You will also find other subscription suggestions below, such as Apple One subscription. Following these steps, you can easily check Amazon subscriptions on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.